Hello everyone, and welcome to Womble's Hive. It's the 20th of December. 5 days until you're wrapping up in bed for Father Christmas, and 6 days until you're opening your presents. But for now, it's Archie's countdown to Christmas. So let's show you the snow angel. I don't think there's any iridescence in this one, but there is some. Oh, there is a little bit when you get in the light, right? But hopefully you can also see the golden glitter in there as well. It's dispersed very well. I thought it was going to be quite clumpy based on the dot that we received, but it's not. It's dispersed all over that white bulb there, and it looks lovely, and I think it really would look really good if you were painting some snowy clouds or a frosty morning. Oh, if you painted it over the top of snow on the floor, oh, that'd be really good. Right, so the 20th is LAMETTA, and I have no idea what a LAMETTA is, so if you know, let me know down below. But it's definitely going to be a colour of paint because that's what's in here. Christmas puddings and Christmas cupcake. Let's have a look. So we've got this open. Right, what colour do we suppose LAMETTA is? I have no guess. Let's have a look. It could be a green. We've only had really one green so far and a greeny blue, so it could be a green. I don't know. So let's find out. It's a blue. Oh, that's nice. Like a cobalty blue with sparkles in it. Shiny. Oh, actually, it looks more ultramarine or indanthrene to you, but it's not. It's a cobalty colour. Whilst it's dry, at least. So, let's activate this and see what's happening. Ooh, I just saw the whoosh come out of the paintbrush then, did you guys? Right, I have got a paintbrush full of glow, so let's get this on the page. I'm going to move that over a little bit. Oh, I might have got a little bit too joyful there. There we go. Got so much on the paintbrush it wouldn't move. Ooh, this is a lovely colour. This reminds me of a frosty but sunny morning. The sky surrounding a sun. It looks like it's got all the colours of the rainbow in that blue glitter. And you can probably see the iridescence swirling around in the water pot. Stunning. Right, let's see what you can see so far. So that's the gorgeous colour. Don't know if you're picking up on the shiny glitters, but I'm excited to see what this is going to finish up like. So I will leave this to dry, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So find something that makes you smile, and as always, be happy.